birds too. There's birds here that actually physically, these little birds, they actually physically fly at you. A lot of balls. More so than in New York. More so than pigeons in New York. The pigeons here. You don't give a pigeon a piece of bread and he sees you eating it, he's not gonna let you forget it. Comes a surly bartender. Uh-huh. I know the feeling, my friend. I need to go borrow some club soda from this guy across the street. Life, so exciting. It's a thrill a minute right now.